Uranus, the seventh planet of our solar system, is certainly the most fascinating planet revolving around our Sun. Known for its unique characteristics and an unusual rotation position, the planet has captured the imagination of scientists and astronomers alike. Along with Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune, Uranus forms the team of four gas giants beyond the asteroid belt. The planet is large, icy, and has a striking blue-green color due to the presence of different types of gases in its atmosphere. Hello 5 Unix fam, welcome back to another video where we will uncover a few interesting facts about the seventh planet of our solar system, Uranus. Uranus was discovered on March 13, 1781 by William Herschel, a German-born astronomer who lived in England. He was actually looking for stars when he saw Uranus through his telescope. At first, he thought it was a star or a comet because no one had ever seen a planet that far away from Earth. It was later that he realized that he had discovered a new planet, making Uranus the first planet to be found with the help of a telescope. This discovery expanded the known size of the solar system and inspired astronomers all around the world to search for more planets beyond Saturn. Before Herschel's discovery, people did notice Uranus, but they thought it was a star. It moves very slowly across the sky, so it didn't look like any other planets that were easily seen with the naked eye back then. Herschel wanted to name it after King George III, but other scientists preferred to stick to the tradition of naming planets after the ancient gods. So they eventually named it Uranus after the Greek god of sky. Let us now dive into the features that makes Uranus so special among the 8 planets of our solar system. Uranus is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium with smaller amounts of methane gas. The methane gives it the unique blue-green color because it absorbs red light from the sun and reflects the blue light back into the space. Beneath its thick atmosphere, there is an icy layer of water, ammonia, and methane. Scientists believe that underneath the icy layer lies a rocky core. One of the most unusual features of Uranus is its tilt. Unlike other planets that spin on an upright axis, Uranus spins at its side at a 98-degree angle. This means it literally rolls around the sun like a ball, while other planets rotate more like spinning tops. This tilt causes extreme seasons on the planet Uranus. For part of its orbit, one pole always points towards the sun directly, while the other pole is in complete darkness. Each season on Uranus lasts for about 21 Earth years because Uranus takes 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the sun. Did you know Uranus has rings? Yes, it does. Uranus also has faint rings, although they are very difficult to see. These rings are thin and dark and made up of particles of dust and rock. They were only discovered in 1977, many years after Uranus was first found, when astronomers noticed the rings briefly blocking the light of a distant star. Apart from the 90-degree tilt that Uranus has, making it one of the most unique ones, the blue-green color of Uranus, due to methane in its atmosphere, is also unparalleled. The methane in the atmosphere of Uranus absorbs the red light from the sun and reflects back the blue light, giving the planet a beautiful and an almost eerie glow. Talking about the rings, just like Saturn, Uranus also has rings. To be precise, 13. They are very hard to see and very faint in color. This is primarily because these rings are made up of dark particles and not ice. Talking of being a gas giant, although Uranus finds itself placed amongst Jupiter, Saturn and Neptune, some scientists prefer calling it an ice giant rather than a gas giant. This is primarily because Uranus has more icy elements like water, methane, and ammonia in its interior. Speaking of unique features, the planet that we live on, Earth, has around 4 unique seasons lasting for a few months. Uranus, on the other hand, has each season lasting for more than 20 Earth years. This is because Uranus orbits our star at a distance of 2.9 billion kilometers, which is twice as much the distance between Saturn and our star. Uranus is an intriguing planet with a unique position and characteristics. Its discovery in the year 1781 marked an exciting moment in astronomy, showing that our solar system was much larger than previously thought. Its sideways tilt, cool, eerie blue-green color, the faint rings, makes Uranus a source of wonder and study for the scientists and space enthusiasts alike. What else do you think makes Uranus special? Hope you enjoyed this video where we tried to uncover the mysteries of Uranus. If you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to 5 Uniques for more interesting content ahead.